Hey guys, welcome to IT Contents channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize your Windows 11 for best performance and also for a great experience, with some of the great tips coming from the Microsoft website themselves that are recommending these settings. So for our first tip, we need to go to settings. So you can hold down the Windows key plus I, that will open up settings. So here you want to go here where it says gaming, and you want to go here where it says mode. Then here you want to tick this gaming mode. That will help to optimize your PC for play, turning off any background apps, allowing you to have the best experience of playing your game. And also, if we go here under network, so if you game online, this is one of the best tips that you can also use. You can go either if you use Wi-Fi or on Ethernet. For example, this PC is connected to Wi-Fi, so I can click on Wi-Fi, go here where it says hardware properties. So here you want to click where it says edit. Then here you want to remove it from automatic. You want to set it to manual. Then here you want to enable IPv4. Then here on our preferred, we just want to put in 1.1.1.1. Then here we want to select encrypted preferred. And then here on our alternative, we want to put 1.0.0.1 like that. Then we also want to do the same like that. Then we can click save. That will help boost your internet speed and performance by changing the DNS setting. Okay, Microsoft also recommends that we turn off virtual machine platform. So if you're not planning to run any virtual machines on your system, you can disable this setting by opening up the search bar here or the start menu. Then you want to just type in optional features, optional. So once you type in optional here, you should see this optional features. You just want to click that, then it should open settings. So here you want to scroll all the way down to where it says more Windows features. Click that, then it should load. Then here on this menu, you want to scroll all the way down until you see this virtual machine platform. You also want to disable that. Microsoft recommends that you disable this for a great gaming performance, so you would do that. And also, one of the other settings that Microsoft recommends, once you go on your start again, here you want to type in core. You should see this core isolation. You want to click that. Then here you should disable this setting here. So Microsoft recommends that you also disable this setting for a great PC performance. Now let's jump into the other great settings that you need to adjust for a nice and smooth experience in Windows 11. So once you go on your search bar here and you type in power, so you want to see this choose power plan. So you want to click that. Then here when power plan comes, you should see this hidden like this. So you want to make sure you click this down arrow. It says show more options. Then you want to set it to high performance. So this will now favor performance and not saving energy. Again, if you go on your start button and then you search for performance, you should see this adjust appearance and performance. So you want to click that. So here you also want to make sure you stick this adjust for best performance like that. That will favor performance. So you can click apply, and as you can see, that will do the changes. And also you want to click here where it says advanced. So here you want to also make sure that it's set to program. So adjust for best performance of programs. So you want to make sure that that is set to program. So you can just click OK, and that should do the trick for you. And also one of the other settings you want to enable is when you go to your settings again by pressing Windows key I, you can go here where it says system. Then here you want to go here where it says storage. So now here under storage, you want to enable this setting that is disabled by default, which is this storage sense. So this will help us clean all unnecessary files on our machine, so that we do not need to worry about cleaning temporary files now and then. So here we can click the arrow. So here, as you can see, it will automatically clean up temporary files for us and other unnecessary files from our system, and we do not need to worry about that. And also we can set it to run every day from a week, so you can remove it from every month or every week to every day, so that it cleans up our system for us and we do not need to worry about that. And also here under deleted files in the recycle bin, you can also set a time frame when you want those items to be deleted in the recycle bin. 60 days, 30 days, or a day. If you want, you can just set it to never. Same thing if you have files in your download folder and you want to be deleting them maybe after a month, you would set it to a month here and it will do the cleanup for you. Run storage since now. that will run the program and clean out every unnecessary files from your system. And one of the other tools will be very handy if you are also running a standard disk. So if you open up your start menu like that and you type in defragment, you should see this defragment. So this will help you out if you're running a standard drive. So you want to make sure you click on your C drive here where your operating system is. Then you want to click where it says analyze. Then it will analyze the drive. Then you can click optimize and that will start optimizing the drive. So it's relocating all my files so that my data is not scrambled. So here you can also go here where it says change settings, and here you want to make sure you remove it from weekly to daily. It has to do this daily. And here also under drives, you can also choose the drive that you want to do it on. So I want it to be happening on all these drives, so which is fine. I can just click cancel here and click OK. That should start optimizing my drive. So that should help with my performance for my operating system here. So I can just click close. That will continue running in the background. And one of the last and most important thing is making sure that your operating system is up to date. And here also what you can do is just quickly open up settings, and once you open up settings here, you should see where it says Windows Update at the bottom. Wait for it to run and it will say if there's any Windows update available. Make sure that you update to the latest version of Windows. That also helps in terms of improving your PC performance. So once you're fully up to date, you just also want to make sure you restart your computer, and that should help improve your PC performance. And also, if you found this video useful, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel for more PC tips.